Okay, so welcome back everyone. Now in this lecture, I'm going to talk about a cross join operation. Cross join is again very simple to understand. So let's suppose I have two tables and I'm trying to match all the rows with all the other rows, and then I'm looking for data. Means I'm looking for all the combination of the records from two tables, right? This is where a cross join comes into a picture. It's also called as Cartesian product. I'll try to show you with the help of example, and with that you all will be able to understand it in a better way. So let me show you some of the example of a cross join. Very simple one, right? A very simple one for our understanding purpose. So here, let's suppose I'm looking for to generate all the possible product. We have a product table, right? And we have a campaign table. So I'm looking for all the possible product and campaign combination, right? All the products and all the possible campaign combination. So how I will be able to get that? Let me write it down and then I'll try to give you the explanation. So select a star from basically product PRO products, right? Cross join campaign. Yeah, cross join campaigns. Now if I'm going to execute it, what you will be able to get, see what I have written. Select a star from products. So select everything from the products and then cross join campaigns. Now what it is going to return? Now it is going to return all the combination, right? It is going to return, let me expand it. Yeah. So as you can see that it is returning all the possible combination of product, right? With a campaign, all the possible combination of the product with a campaign. So here we have like a 5 product, you can see, right? We have 5 product, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is trying to map it with 201 campaign. Then again we have 5 product, it is mapping with 202 campaign. We have 5 product, once again it is mapping with 203 campaign, then 204 campaign, then 205 campaign, right? So cross join is trying to perform a like a Cartesian a product operation over here, and it is trying to basically map every column of one, every records of one table with every records of the other table. That's it, and it is giving you all the combination. This is what cross join does. I'll show you one more example here. So let's suppose I'm looking for like a matrix, right? I'm looking for a matrix of all sales representative which I can map. I'm looking for all the combination of the sales representative which I can map with the product for a sales training, let's suppose, right? So here if I have to like build all the combinations, so select a star from, I can try to write SALES representative cross join with what? PRO cross join with products. Oh, there is a sales REPS. Yeah. So now you will be able to find out that it has created all the sales representative mapping with a product, right? Product 101, then all the sales representative mapping with product 102, all the sales representative mapping with product 103, 104, and so on. So simple cross join is very, very simple one. So it try to like perform a join operation, and it is going to give you all the possible combination from one table to the other table, as simple as that. So hope all of you are able to understand a cross join operation. With that, thank you so much everyone. Take care and see you again in my next lecture.